All right, really quick. We got a Honda here. I'm on location that overheated. Looks like just a real quick visual. Looks like I can stick my finger in this hose right here. So this upper hose blew out. Lost the coolant. Temperature gauge went up and overheated. Luckily, the owner immediately pulled it over. So what do you think? You think this engine's destroyed or the head gasket's gone? Or do you think they were able to turn it off in time? Hondas do not like overheating at all. So let me get this thing at least sealed up, and we'll see if we can't get this thing running. Well, it's holding pressure with the new hose. That's a good sign. Well, she started good. She's running good. I don't see any leaks. We may have dodged a bullet on this one. You can see where this hose blew out right there. That's all it takes. Temperature just rose. Now it's dropping back down, it looks like, at least intermittently. See if those fans kicked on. Yep, both fans working properly. I don't know if the camera refresh rate might not pick it up, but both fans are working. And the fans and the thermostat seem to be doing their job, keeping this temperature between about 194 and 201 or so. And looks like we got most of the air out of the system. This thing's looking good. And I scanned it real quick just to make sure there are no fault codes, and we don't have any. We're looking good. And if one hose goes bad like this one, probably a good idea to replace the rest of them. All right, this car's fixed. A hose fixed this thing. Hondas are very susceptible to being damaged if they overheat. So if you're going to take anything away from this video, if your Honda overheats, stop it immediately. That's what the owner of this vehicle did, and that saved their vehicle. So this thing is going to live to fight another day. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.